package. Yes. This is my new Nintendo Switch. Yay! Oh, wow! I can play Animal Crossing now. My new Nintendo Switch. Oops. Yes. Ako ang bana mo ay nag-unboxing.
I'll let you do that.
You do it, Dad. You unbox, Dad. You unbox, please. Oh, I'm excited. Yes. Hala, tanawa. Oh. Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. Mauna yung remote control, red and blue. O mga wires. Thank you. Nice. Yes. Kani mga wires to connect to the TV. That's the remote control. Na maka-play na ta anig Animal Crossing. Thank you, Dad.